Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you on how to fix Messenger downloading problems on your Android device. If you're encountering issues while trying to download Messenger, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Firstly, check your network connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Poor network connectivity can hinder the downloading process of Messenger. Make sure you have sufficient storage space on your device. Insufficient storage can prevent apps like Messenger from downloading and installing properly. Clear out unnecessary files to free up space for the download. To address downloading issues, clear the cache of WhatsApp on your device. Sometimes, conflicts between app caches can affect the downloading process. Clearing the cache of WhatsApp can help resolve any potential conflicts. If you have an unofficial version of Messenger installed on your device, consider deleting it before retrying the download. Unofficial versions may cause conflicts with the official Messenger app, leading to downloading problems. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Messenger downloading problems on your Android device. We hope this guide helps you successfully download and install Messenger without any issues. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a seamless downloading experience with Messenger.